how to poach an egg. First, add 1 liter of water. You want enough water to cover the egg, but not too much. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Close the lid and wait for the water to boil. Open the lid. Carefully slide the egg from the bowl into the simmering water. Be cautious not to burn yourself with the steam or hot water. Let the egg poach in the simmering water. Cooking time will vary depending on how runny or firm you prefer your poached egg. After about 4 to 5 minutes, check the egg to see if it has reached your desired level of doneness. Use a slotted spoon to carefully remove it from the water. Transfer the poached egg to a plate. You can season it with salt, pepper, or your preferred spices. Serve it as a stand-alone dish or use it to top salads, toast, or other dishes. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks.